Hello friends, in this video I showed you how can you setting on your phone any video live subtitle. So you can see live subtitle friends. So don't set your video. So sometime if you don't know the language, so you can setting and don't set video, can you see subtitle friends. First I friends show you this YouTube video. I just play this video friends. So you see don't said no have any live caption and no have subtitle. So now I friends open my phone setting and scroll down friends. Here have option accessibility, click here, and friends here have option hearing enhancement, click here, and you see here friends live caption. Just click here, and friends first option use live caption, just click here. And now friends, now I again play this video. And you see here friends live caption and subtitle, you can see here friends. So one other feature have friends. So friends again I click to setting and click here caption preference. So click to more option and click here friends language, and here friends you can select language, but this feature no all phone you can use, some phone this feature you cannot use. So in future maybe this feature you can use all phone. So if you want your own language, so you can setting here also your own language friends. So friends very easy setting live caption or subtitle. So if you like this video, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.